Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by powering the tablet and unlocking it so you can work. Press and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the logo appears. Once done, follow the on-screen steps to choose Wi-Fi and sign in. Make sure to set a secure PIN or enable fingerprint/face unlock and set a backup PIN. Check auto-rotate and adjust brightness. This improves visibility and battery life. After that, familiarize yourself with the home screen layout and basic gestures. Next, you'll configure accounts and install the apps you need. Sign into your primary account, Apple ID, Google account, or the tablet maker to sync contacts, calendar, and purchases. Open the App Store to install a browser, email client, video player, and a cloud storage app, then run updates so everything is current. Check available storage and remove large unused files or apps. If supported, insert a micro SD card. Finally, enable automatic cloud backup so your data stays safe, and now you'll learn smooth daily use and what to do if issues arise. Use gestures and split screen for multitasking. Manage notifications to reduce interruptions. For security, enable Find My, set a short auto lock, and install OS updates promptly to fix bugs. If an app freezes or Wi-Fi drops, restart the tablet first. If that fails, toggle Wi-Fi or reset network settings. If you can't sign in, verify your account credentials and try a password reset. These steps finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.